President Trump says he's considering signing an executive order that would reclassify marijuana to be a less dangerous drug. Fox 43's Matt Kleinis this evening examines the potential impact that decision would have on Pennsylvania's cannabis industry.
A historic decision that could change the way marijuana is viewed by regulators.
This would be the most significant federal policy change related to cannabis.
President Trump says he's considering signing an executive order that would reclassify marijuana to a Schedule III drug. Current DEA rules list marijuana as a Schedule I drug along with heroin and LSD, whereas a Schedule III classification would place the drug at the same level as ketamine and steroids. Meredith Schneider with the PA Cannabis Coalition says the decision would open up research into the drug, which could indirectly impact future legalization efforts in Pennsylvania.
Freeing up the research dollars and some of the research restrictions so we can look into some of the questions that the legislature has been asking about in terms of public health and safety. Rescheduling will help us be able to answer those questions.
Meanwhile, Dr. Michael Bouchard, a professor who teaches cannabis business classes at Central Penn College, says the decision could draw more students who are interested in entering the medical marijuana industry.
There will be organizations and possibly academic institutions somewhere where they're going to look at the science of cannabis and how it helps to support and treat patients and to help manage their symptoms.
He adds that the reclassification would allow dispensaries to have access to the banking system and business tax write-offs.
That would give them more added value and the cost to the consumers could decrease.
As they wait for the Trump administration, advocates hope that the decision can further drive discussion and research into the drug.
And hopefully it will just reduce the barriers to conversations around cannabis.
Matt Kleinden's Fox 43 News.